What's up? In this video, I'm going to be going over with you how you can make over $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, so my name's Sergio with Surge Tech. In this channel, I do a lot of reviews, tutorials, and I talk a lot about making passive income online and offline as well. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the topic of how to generate passive income through affiliate marketing. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so now and hit the bell to receive notifications on the future videos. If you use Instagram, you can follow me at surge.tech, and there's going to be links to the information that I talk about in this video in the description down below, so check that out. All right, let's get on with the video. All right, so for those of you that are new to affiliate marketing, let me just go ahead and go over what affiliate marketing really is. So affiliate marketing is pretty much just the reselling of products. So you're pretty much like a salesman, but online. So you're going to be like an online salesman driving traffic to sell different types of products, either physical or digital products that others are trying to sell. So you're not going to be creating your own products or having to buy anything, because you're just reselling other people's products. That's what affiliate marketing is. So it's pretty much an online salesman. And you're going to be getting commissions off of each sale. And it's all going to be automated. And once you get the ball rolling and you're getting enough traffic to the affiliate marketing sellers that you are promoting, you will continue to generate revenue on a consistent basis. And this is passive income. Okay, so we're going to be going over 3 steps to creating a passive income stream online through affiliate marketing. So I'm going to be going over the steps of the 3 things that you need to do in order to start generating at least $100 per day through affiliate marketing. So what you're going to need to do, the first thing is you're going to need to pick a niche. If you haven't done so already, so find a niche. A niche is a industry or a certain type of group of people that you are going to be targeting. So first, find out what niche you want to create content for and that you're going to want to affiliate market products for. So to pick a niche, I always suggest that you pick something that you either enjoy, that you have fun talking about it and creating content about it, or something that you're good at and that you have experience with. This is going to make the process a whole lot easier, and it's going to make the work seem like it's not work because it's something that you enjoy or something that you're really good at either way. So the next thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create a couple of accounts. First of all, you're going to need to create a website, and the website is going to be a website that's geared towards this niche that you chose. So if you chose the fitness niche or pets, or maybe making money online, making money offline. These are just examples. If you chose the tech niche, cars, there's many different niches that you can choose. And then also it's good to choose a sub niche. So something a little bit more specific, not so broad. So for example, like in the fitness niche, there's intermittent fasting, there's ketogenic diets, there's certain workouts. So choose a sub niche in the main niche category that you choose so that you can have a more targeted audience. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create a website that's going to revolve around creating content and posting blogs, which is going to drive SEO traffic to that targeted audience for that niche. And on this website, you're going to provide as much information on the product that you are going to be promoting or the different products that you're going to be promoting. You don't have to limit yourself to just one affiliate marketing product. The other thing you're going to want to do is create a YouTube channel. YouTube is also like a Google. So when you create videos, you're going to be getting SEO traffic as well. So the website is going to bring you traffic from the search engines like Google, and your YouTube channel is going to bring you traffic from the YouTube search engine. So you can take advantage of these 2 search engines by driving in free organic SEO traffic. The other thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create social media accounts like an Instagram account and a Facebook account. You can create other accounts as well, but I suggest you stick to these 2 at first so that you don't get overwhelmed. And you're going to be creating posts and creating content on these social media platforms as well, all geared towards around this niche. niche. And the other thing you're going to want to do is on your website, you're going to have opt-in boxes to collect emails. So you're going to be building email lists, and you're going to want to use these email lists to stay in touch with your subscribers on a weekly basis and keep them in the loop for whatever products or whatever information around that niche you have to give them. So you're going to take advantage of all of these things to drive traffic to your affiliate marketing products. So these are all the accounts you have to create. Let's go on to the next step. The next thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to now find an affiliate product that you want to promote. So this can be informational products. It can be physical products. Almost every big company nowadays offers an affiliate program through their website. So, the main one is Amazon Affiliates or Amazon Associates, I think it's called now. And it's a very big program. Obviously, it's Amazon, so you can pretty much promote and sell any products that are on Amazon. This goes for eBay as well. eBay, it's called eBay Partner. So eBay is also like Amazon as well, because you can promote and pretty much sell any products that are on eBay. eBay, like Amazon, they pay anywhere from about 3% to about 10%, maybe sometimes a little bit more depending on the type of products that you are offering. This is the commission they're going to pay you on each sale. But like I said, the good thing is you don't have to buy any of these products yourself or house them or package them and ship them. So all of this work is removed. All you have to pretty much do is create content that drives traffic to Amazon and eBay to get those sales, and you're going to be getting commissions off of each sale, which are going to be directly deposited into your bank account on a monthly basis on the total amount of commission sales. Other websites that you can also affiliate market for is ClickBank, a very big affiliate marketing website that offers all types of different products and a lot of info digital products. The commissions can be much higher on ClickBank since the programs sell for a lot more, and there's many different types of programs that you can choose from, and you could be making anywhere from $10 all the way up to a couple $1,000 per sale depending on what program you choose. So find something that fits your niche, that is targeted to your audience, that you can easily promote, and you will start ranking in the sales. Another program that you can also affiliate market for is ClickFunnels. A lot of people using ClickFunnels nowadays to create funnels to sell different types of programs. So you can do affiliate marketing for ClickFunnels as well. You can do affiliate marketing for, like I said, almost pretty much every big website that's on the internet right now. You can affiliate market it for companies like Walmart, Best Buy, Apple, and the list goes on and on and on. So you can pretty much affiliate market for any company that is selling products related to your niche. Just find the website, scroll towards the bottom, and it should have a link to become an affiliate seller for that website. Also, there are many affiliate programs out there that will pay you a monthly recurring commission as long as the customer stays subscribed to that service. So these are also great affiliate programs to research on, because they won't just pay you one time for the sale. You'll be getting paid on a monthly basis every time they pay their subscription fees. So making $100 a day doing affiliate marketing is pretty easy. You just got to put a lot of work in up front, create as much content as you can to bring in enough traffic to the affiliate program or items that you are trying to promote, and it could be pretty easily. If you're making a commission of about $10 per sale on a certain affiliate marketing program, then all you got to do is make 10 sales in one day. But like I said, there's many other products out there that can pay you a lot more, $50, $100, even more just for one sale. So all you would have to do is make 1 or 2 sales of these high ticketed items to make at least $100 daily. So it shouldn't be too hard at all. All you got to do, like I said, once again, is create content on all the platforms that I mentioned. Create content for your website geared to drive in traffic and SEO, and your YouTube channel as well. Create videos, use the right title, description, hashtags, thumbnails, so that you can create great SEO on your YouTube channel. Take advantage of social media as well, Instagram and Facebook, also Snapchat as well, since there are so many users on these social media platforms, and this will help to drive traffic as well to whatever affiliate marketing product you are trying to promote. And also take advantage of the email list that you will be creating. So this was just a quick overview on how to start generating money through affiliate marketing in 2020. All you gotta do is take action on the actionable tips that I just mentioned to you. If you feel like this is something that is interesting to you, just do more research online. Google and YouTube is a free university. You can find almost anything that you are interested in finding. All you have to do is put in the time and effort to research it, and then take action to put in the work, create it, and make it happen. All right, everyone. So that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like if you got some value out of it. Let me know in the comments down below if you are interested in trying affiliate marketing, and also let me know what other ways of making passive income you are interested in learning about. So that is it for this one. I will see you in the next video. And as always, peace.